This is what sport and culture, this is what it does and can do. And so, yeah, Eloquent Dance, you killed it.
Huge well done, guys! Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. How you all feeling?
Good. Tired.
You were Are you all tired? You all look brilliant. And you all look so amazing.
I feel good. I think under all the circumstances that we had, that we thought the stage was going to be bigger than it really was, I think we overcame that challenge pretty well. Because when you go to a professional job or anything like that, you don't have the time to be worrying about what the stage looks like or whatever it is. You just have to go and do it and perform as people are paying.
The two jackets there.
Is that your top?
Sorry?
Is that your top? Or you
Oh, yeah.
somebody's top. Why it looks so small on you?
No, I'm not even joking, look.
I love that when I joined, I just felt like I was in part of a big family. I just made new friends like a snap, and I just felt like I was part of the group the day one.
And next time, iron it, please.
When you iron it, it creases back up.
How come everybody else don't crease up but you?
Yeah, ask everyone. I knew you got this.